Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are gonna create a stunning ads for your brand. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my Notion link. So in here we're gonna create a stunning ads for your brand. It can be any brand or your own personal brand if you have. So you can create ads on it. Okay, so let's get started. So first I'm gonna click a new tab and then I'm gonna choose any product. Let's go with Coca-Cola. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna choose the can one. Alright, and I'm gonna copy this. Go to ChatGPT, again paste. If you want, you can save this image or you can copy the image, both will work. Alright, and I will go to my Notion and there is an image prompt here. And I'm gonna paste the prompt and click enter. So let's see how ChatGPT generate our image. Okay, so we have our result now. This is the last result. I just told ChatGPT to do some changes. First result is like this. I wanted to remove the logo from the sari. So ChatGPT has given me this result. And the second result is like this. No logo in the sari, but just the building is is small, so I have add another prompt. Make the building wider, make the building big. So they have given me this one. Background, they have just add another building, another white building, but the model is still sitting on the same building like how in the previous one. Alright. So for an example, I'm okay with this, but it could be better. Okay, I have add another prompt to make it clear. I really hope ChatGPT gets it and I really hope we get the expected result. But in the meantime, let's just go here and let's just go to download. Alright. And plus we can use a different product also. We have used Coke, now we are going to use Lace. Alright, but once this one is done, so in the meantime we'll go to our Notion and we'll check what's the next step. So you have the next step, we can go to Kling AI or Pixverse AI. I'll just go to Pixverse. Okay, Pixverse and Kling also. Let's see which one is working. And I'm gonna add this image here. Plus I will go to Kling as well and I will go to video, image to video. Again, those who doesn't have any prompt, they can just click generate the prompt and Kling AI and DeepSeek will give you the list of prompt. But I have my prompt, so I'm gonna go back to my Notion and copy this prompt. Alright, I'm gonna copy this and again go back. Let's see, we have to add description here and click generate. Same with this one, same with Kling AI generate. Okay, my token is finished, so we are gonna use Pixverse for now. Or I have to upgrade to the paid this subscription for new features. So I'm just gonna close this and we're gonna use Pixverse. Let's see how is it. Okay, our result has come. Okay, this is okay, but I feel it could be better. Alright. Okay, now let's go back to ChatGPT and check our result. Okay, in the meantime, we can generate a new image with a new product also. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll all the way up and I'm gonna copy this, paste also. Alright, and I'm gonna choose a new product. Let's say I want lace product. Not lace. Okay, so we are gonna choose this product, Chitato, but we are gonna choose the mee goreng one. Those who have tried mee goreng, they must be knowing. So I'm gonna copy this image and paste, paste, and then let's see our result. Okay, our result is like this. I feel it is so serious. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us the first result is like this, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so all right. Okay, so I'm I'm okay with this one. This one is I'm okay with the previous one. Okay, now let's see how the result is with this product. So I'm gonna click send. This will take a while, so once it's done, I'll get back. Okay, so we have our result. This is good. I'm thinking to keep the logo this time. Alright, so I'm gonna download this. This is fine for me, so I'm gonna download this. And I'm gonna go to Pixverse. This one, I'm gonna copy the prompt. Again, I'm gonna remove the image, and add the add a new image that we just downloaded, and then generate. Okay, let's see our result. Oh wow, oh my god. I think I will regenerate again. Okay, this is making the woman stand where there is no surface. So I'm gonna generate the video again. Okay, now it's better. I like the sari is flying, like there is a as if there is a wind. So I really like this one. So I'm gonna download. So that's it, guys. And if you find this video helpful, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're watching until the very end, then please drop a yellow heart, a yellow star. Alright, and feel free to message me if you have any problems, or if you want to share, or if you want to showcase your work. I would be glad to see your work. Alright, feel free, don't hesitate. So okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.